Hey guys, it's Laura and it's time for stability ball abs. All you need is a stability ball and a mat. We'll be going from one movement to the next, working all the muscles of the core. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Okay, so we're going to start on the floor with our stability ball. So we're going to take that ball behind our heads and lay on our back. So I'm going to put my mic down. Now, pull your abs in tight so you've got that tight core going on, and then bring it over the head and bring it back. Okay, so depending on the size of your ball, you may be able to reach farther. Now add the leg, add a crunch. Bring it back down. Exhale, keep your chin same distance from your chest the whole time. All right, so we're going to make this a little more challenging. You can stay here and then extend. Bring it in. You don't have to add the extended legs if that's too much for you. Good, one more. So we're going to do a ball exchange. So you're going to grab that ball between the feet, take it back, and then grab with the hands. Take it back. Take your time. Now, of course, if your ball is smaller, you won't have to reach as far. Bring it back. Okay, you got one more. Bring it in. Set that ball down. Put the hands or the legs on the ball, okay? So take your feet apart so it's stable. You're not rocking side to side too much. Hands behind the head. You're gonna take the shoulder across and across. So keep those hips stable and lead with the shoulder, not your elbow. Little crossover crunch. Again, you're not pulling on the neck. I have my hands lightly behind my ears, but you can always put it on the back of your head. Over time, your neck does get stronger when you do these exercises. 4 more. 2 more. Last one. Lay down. Don't mind if I do. Put your feet on, or the heels right on top of the ball, and then roll the heels out. This part's easy. Yeah. So you want to be able to get the legs straight. Now hold the legs out. Lift your hips, squeeze up. Works the back side of your body. So remember, the core is not just your abs. Now go a little faster. Squeeze up and down. Keep the abs engaged. Make sure your tailbone, your back isn't arched. Good, 2 more. Last one. Bend those legs again. Now lift and lower. So drive down into the heels. Last 4, how you doing? Good, 2 more. We're gonna go back to the straight leg version. So take it out, lift, 2, 3, down. Squeeze the glutes. 1, 2, 3. Abs in the whole time. Last one. Nice job. Okay, roll that in. Grab that ball so it doesn't get away from you. Bring yourself up. How you doing? You warmed up? Hopefully that was a good warm up for you. All right, so now we're gonna drape ourselves over to the ball. Now, I have a pretty big ball here. So you should be centered over the ball. Now lift one arm and lift the other arm. So the feet are apart to help you feel more stable. Lift up. So notice I'm looking down at the floor just to keep my neck in line with the rest of my spine. Now let's slow down. Not only am I lifting, but I'm reaching away and down. Lift and down. So take it away from your body. Okay, now we're going to add the opposite leg. You don't have to lift and down. Same side. Stay on this side. Take it away and lift. One more. We're going to switch sides. Good. Now, you may be more stable on one side than the other. That's okay. Just do your best. So this works through the low back, the glute of that lifting leg. Now let's see if we can go faster and alternate. What do you think? Lift. Now don't feel like you have to go a certain speed. Just do what you can. Okay, 4 more. 2 more. Last one. Nice, okay. Roll back a little bit. Take a rest. My creaky ball. Okay, so I'm going to roll back forward and make sure my hands are on the floor. Again, depends on the size of your ball. You want to make sure you're not too far forward so that your mid-thigh is on that ball. Okay, so lift one leg and then the other leg, just like before. Squeeze up. Now we're going to be lifting both legs here soon, so know that you have the option to do one leg. That's why I'm starting here. Okay, now lift. Now if you need to see how I scooted forward a little bit because I knew that I needed that body weight forward a little bit more. Squeeze up. Good, 2 more. Low back and glutes. Now turn your toes out, heels in, and then tap, tap, tap. Take it down, touch. Touch the floor every time. All the way down. 1 more. Okay, we're gonna lift both legs. Keep it apart. Lift up. Up. Remember, too much on your low back. 1 leg at a time. Last 4. 2 more. Last one. Okay, roll back. Nice job. Okay. So this is a ball rollout, just like you would on a core wheel if you've ever used a core wheel. So you may have to move the hands around to find just the right spot. Okay, knees apart so you got a wide base of support. Now I put my hands together, I roll forward, and I bring it back. So if I need to make adjustments, I can. Now you want to keep those hips stable. You don't want your back to drop. Now how far forward you go really depends on your core strength. Also your shoulder mobility as well. Working the lats. Back and in. So when we come all the way up like this, that is resting. So we're going to make it harder. If you want, stay out. Bring it in. Out. In. So notice my hips don't move. I reach. See how far out you can go. And roll it in. Now, there's a reason I'm on this mat. Well, besides my knees, is this thing tends to slide on this hard floor. So that keeps it from sliding. All right, so we're gonna lay on this sideways. Again, if you have a huge ball, this might be really challenging to reach. So make sure the ball is a good size for you to do these movements. Okay, so I have my feet scissored just so I'm stable. Okay, so I roll over so that I'm in a down position. Now I come up. Now I'm going to put the hand on the side of the ball. Now the key to this movement is not to bring your ear to your shoulder. Lift to the ceiling. Squeeze right here. Working through the obliques. Keep that ear away from the shoulder. Think listening to the ceiling. All right, we're going to stay up for 3. 1, 3. Remember, neck neutral. How you doing? Do you feel it? You should feel it right here. One more. Okay, we're gonna go back to singles. Up and down. 4. 3. Make sure you go all the way down in between. One more. Now up for 3. So I'm using this hand a little bit to give me some leverage. It's not cheating, it's helping. Up, 2, 3. Now reach and then pull in. Reach, pull in. Feel that stretch when you do that reach for the floor. 4, 3, 2 more. Last one. Good. Put that knee down. Okay, we got to go to the other side. Okay. So get into position, scissor those feet. Okay, so you got that wide base so you're not super wobbly. You might be a little bit. That's okay, as long as you can stabilize up and down all the way. Up and down. Now, if your ball is small enough, your hand can be on the floor. You might find it more stable. Okay, let's go faster. Lift and lower. All the way down. Now up for 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, ear to the ceiling, not to your shoulder. Okay, singles. 4, 3. Abs in, even though we're going sideways. Now 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, reach down. Pull in and out. Get that stretch every time. Last 4. 2 more. Last one. Excellent. All right. How'd you do? Did you feel it? Nice job. Have a seat on your ball. Okay. All right, we got to adjust the clothing and the hair apparently. All right. Now, give me that side bend again. So my hip stays down. 4, 3. Now you may want to take your feet farther apart for the next part just so you feel more stable. Okay, go side to side. Stay lifted. That should feel good. Feel good on your back. If you need to bend the arms a little more, shorter range of motion, shorter lever. It's called a helicopter. So you're lifted through the spine when you do that. Hold it. Go the other way. So if your feet are close together, a little less stability, you might find that more challenging. 2 more. We're gonna go back to that helicopter. Arms are straight or bent, over. So don't just turn your arms, turn your whole upper body from the waist up. Last 4. 2 more. Hold it center. Okay, lift one leg and then the other leg. Now I'm putting my hands out so I don't put them down, but feel free to put your hands down. We want to challenge stability here. So as soon as that foot comes off the floor, hold tight, okay? Gotta fix my pants. 3, 2, you can do jazz hands. Now lift, extend the leg, bend, and then set it down, switch sides. Up, out, in, down. Now, if this is really easy for you, do it with your eyes closed. Your eyes are part of your balance system. So if you have really good balance, Challenge yourself. All right, now we're going to take that leg to the side, go up, out, in, down. Now I'm going to put my hands down. I'm not using them. There's nothing wrong with it if you do, though, okay? Up, out, in, down. One more. Okay, now hang on for dear life. Lift and lower. We're going to amp it up a little bit. Let's see how I do. Okay, I'm going to lift both feet. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. My ball is a little bit flat. Yeah, that's how prepared I was. 4. See how I'm rolling? 3, 2, 1. Stand up. That was just for fun. I just threw that in there. Okay, so I'm standing up. It's just like that ball roll out, but a standing version. You don't have to go all the way out. Feel the stretch and then bring it back in. Out, hips go back. Feel that stretch in the hamstring as you go down and forward. So a slight bend in the knees. Back. Now I'm sure you can tell by looking at me, flexibility is not my strength. So I try to do any kind of dynamic movement I can. All right, pick that ball up. This ball is big. All right, side to side. So I let my heels go. We're almost done, I swear. I wouldn't lie to you. Maybe I would. Okay, 4 more. Okay, give me a figure 8. Around. Now your abs are pulled in. I know it feels silly doing this. Reach that ball as wide as you can. Don't think about high, just think about wide. Now get your feet stable. Don't move from the waist down. Now go a little faster, smaller. Abs super tight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up, then down. Up, then down. Now you're letting your feet lift as you turn. One more. Bring it center. We just got to go the other way and we're done. Up. Take it down. Turn your hips, turn your knees, turn your toes. Last 3. One more. Bring it center. Set that ball down. Okay. You can let it roll away. You're done with it. Big inhale. Exhale. Stretch to the side. You did great. How'd you do? You could even use a med ball for this, for some of these movements. Obviously not for laying on. Hands behind your back, open up. You might feel your chest and your shoulders a little bit. You did great. Let me know how you did. All right? Leave a comment. Any suggestions for future workouts, let me know. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.